In regard to the state of Assam, I must report, I must confess that our progress was not very good. I mean, it was rather, I'll term that it was one of the bad in the entire country. There were some reasons. Primarily, my state went through the process of election. There was a model code of conduct. There was a little bit of instability in between. So probably before May, we could not work properly for this mission in the last 6 months. We have taken over on 10th May, and thereafter we have internal review. I have invited Sri Bharatlal to actually for a frank interaction where we have gone wrong. And then we have a Deputy Commissioner conclave where I have invited Mr. Bharatlal to speak directly with our Deputy Commissioner so that we can improve our performance. I am very happy to inform you that in last 3 months, particularly in the month of July and August, we have done good. In August, we have delivered almost over 2 lakhs connection. And this month also, we are on right track. We are almost achieving 6,700 kind of per day average. And I am sure that this month also will achieve our internal target of 2 lakhs. I'll not like to go in details because we don't have any kind of problem. Fund is abundantly available, and at least in Assam we don't have resource problem, so we can place entire fund along with states here for the disposal of Jal Jeevan mission. And I am sure that my team here in Assam will do everything possible to implement the scheme. We have decentralized many things. We have transferred the authority of our Deputy Commissioner to settle contract up to 10 crores. We have given them power to choose any piece of land for implementation of Jal Jeevan mission without referring to the revenue department and the state government. And also the technical sanctioning authority of our engineers have been improved or increased, so that the bureaucratic layers can be cut at the very beginning. We have also taken a very noble initiative of giving tap water connection in our tea garden. In Assam, the most disadvantaged people live in our tea gardens. We have 800 tea gardens, and if we can actually successful in giving water to the 800 tea gardens, then almost 50 lakhs people, 5 million beneficiary will get house water connection immediately. So we have taken a mission within this mission to ensure that all 800 tea gardens gets assured water supply. And we are on right progress. We are doing, we are moving correctly. And I am sure that within next 6 to 7 months, we'll be able to give tap water connection to at least in 600 tea garden, if not 800 immediately.